Tonight we are at the Literacy Council of Northern Virginia and we are celebrating our annual recognition event. This event is the Literacy Council's answer to a graduation ceremony where we recognize our community partners, our learners, and our long-serving volunteers. The mission of the Literacy Council of Northern Virginia is to teach adults the basic skills of reading, writing, speaking, and understanding English. And given this Northern Virginia community and our demographics, that population is primarily foreign-born. So tonight at our recognition event, we will acknowledge our community partners. These are organizations that give back to the Literacy Council in a major way and help sustain our programs. In addition, we'll be recognizing our long-term volunteers, those who have served with us 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, 20, even 30 years. Volunteers are critically important. They do an enormous amount of direct service work with the adults and within the organization as a whole. The Literacy Council has over 700 active volunteers working in our community every year. Finally, and most importantly, we recognize our learners and their achievements. Many adults make many sacrifices to get through English class or to be tutored in our programs. So it is their successes that we celebrate tonight and their achievements. For more information, and if volunteers are interested in learning more, or if students are interested in taking an English class with us, they can go to our website, www.lcnv.org, or give us a call, and anyone would be happy to help them and engage them in our work.